Alright, in this video we're going to show you how to fix a squeaky Ford Falcon window. This one's been fixed. Now there's a cable that runs up this window glide, around, comes through here, and then back up to this window glide. Now there's two pivots. There's one pivot here and one pivot there, and you need to grease them both up. In addition to that, you can also grease up these slides very, very lightly. And the result is no more squeaky windows. Now we did change the door rubbers on this car, but after changing the door rubbers, it still squeaked. So save yourself the time of changing the door rubbers and just hit the cable and the pivots with grease. It's also a good idea to coat the cable behind this metal bracket, just in case it touches it. Thanks for watching.